Hey, what's up guys, it is doing some here, and this video is coming out late, I should say, because I'm doing this around midnight because the NASCAR Keep On Truck Series just ended, and so, first of all, congratulate Brian, hold on, Bryan for winning the Toyota Tundra 250 after it went to overtime. So let's run it down. Started the green flag, early problems for Rico, Abreu, hit the wall, and then got problems for him already. Got around 8 to go, chaos already happening. These guys like being really aggressive, like with the final lap. A lot of things like just tight racing everywhere. Um, Matt Tift, I think he had problems, vibration, tire issue, and schedule pit stop with about 22 laps in. About 37 contacts between the, can't tell. Second caution comes out because of the timer. The timer did expire, so that means that the caution has come out for that. That happened twice this race. Um, so, around caution, I can't tell where that is because how about Johnny Sauter? At about 50 laps right here, John West Honley spun out, caution came out, a couple cars got involved, hard wreck for the 82, cars being spread out, and the third caution came out for the day. Spencer Gallagher spun out at, not sure, but he did save it. He did not hit anything, so he saved that one. Lap 65, John Hunter check problems out. Caution comes out for like the fourth time. Caution out 68. Parker Kligerman hits the wall hard. Hits the wall hard after that last wreck. And just fights all around. Brandon Brown spins out, does a 720, that just keeps on going. Eighth caution comes out, and we have another caution clock, so it comes out. We had with around 90 to go, I think it was, no, it was, with around 42 to go, they had cars stalled, so they had to keep pit road close, and cars kept on being stalled by pit road because they can't get back. They keep losing fuel because it's just like this much left. Think about that. So they were just saving all of it, getting any kind of drip of it. Didn't work, and sorry. Car just kept on stalling. Cole Custer, he was still stalled out, but they had to open it. People were starting to run out, and it would not stop. They just kept on collecting after one after one. So came to that. So, with about 39 to go, after it came to that point where it just was every minute there was a caution. We got one 20-minute one, and then I think after that it was done. 23 gets hard into the wall and that leaves out the caution. And Kyle Busch and their crew chief, they were just like, because William Brown was in the lead, they were just battling, trying to stay in the lead. I think after that, they were starting to really gain the lead with by about 5 seconds. 5 laps to go. The 23 spins out. That means we're going to overtime. Well, that team kind of got pissed off, and they kind of, yeah. Yeah, so came down to that, and then it came to the final finish, white flag. It was just a battle drive so around roads. They both make contact. But coming into the triumphal, that means William Brylan was in the lead when the caution came out before they went to the start finish line. So he was in the lead. Caution comes out. Then then the race was over. So William Bryan, Matt Crafton, and Daniel Hemrick are the top 3 finishers at Kansas. And so yeah, looks like NASCAR broadcasting is done for, and this is when I recorded this. So that means my NASCAR recordings are over too. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys later, and see you later. See you tomorrow. I will be doing my NASCAR 15, 2 of them tomorrow, and I posted the last 14 laps, technically a little bit more than that, on YouTube when you see this. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys later. Peace out.